that's what my grandma was doing. She was grabbing samples and she'll take that inside and she'll test the moisture in it inside and let us know what it is at the field. So we'll take you inside and show you how we test the moisture. Okay, here we are in my grandparents' house. Here's my grandma Mimi. She is gonna show us how you do the moisture test. You can see on the screen there. So you have to fill it up to 100%, and that'll give us our proper moisture test. So there you have it. Our moisture right now is 12.1. So we also have something else going on the farm tonight as well. We are cleaning wheat seed and we're also treating it so we can plant it, and that'll be our winter wheat for the year. So this wheat was harvested in the summer of this year, and now it's going to be planted in the 100 acres that we're planning to, or that we're taking off right now, I guess, in the 100 acres. So this is the wheat here that is untreated. So this was harvested this summer. It's going into here where it's being cleaned and then treated, and then it's going into this red wagon. And then once this red wagon is full, we're gonna fill the drill here, and then that drill is gonna head to the 100 acres and plant, and that'll be our first field of winter wheat. Our moisture, and we're testing 12.1 right now, which is a good test. Your average is 13%, and that's a good moisture rate. But he's going to explain how the moisture works.
13 is dry, and that's what you're paid on. If it's 12.1 is 1% less, so you're not paid for that. So every 100 pounds of beans, you lose 1%. You're not getting paid for it, so that's how it works. So you don't want to get them too dry.
Yeah, that's how it works. We don't want them too dry, and we don't want them too wet. We want them right in between.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna head back to the field and get loaded here, and then make our way back to the bins. field. Dad is running real good. Tyler, my cousin, he's unloading here. And then my uncle, starting the drill up, getting everything set up, getting the weed in the ground. So he's starting on the other end of the field, the west end. And yeah, it's going real good here. I like working with family. It's nice. It's really good. Everybody works really well together. It's a good family operation.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to see more.
See you later.
Bye.